Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. Friend, today also we are going to see our live trading video in Banknifty Options, and today we will see how we analyze the market. Today being expiry day, how we identified the trend, how it went on, how the trade went on, how much of profit we booked, how much of loss we booked. All those details we'll be seeing in this particular video. So stay tuned till end of the video, and in case if at all you are not subscribed till still now to this channel, this is a channel for the working people where I am putting a lot of strategies on equities, commodities, bank nifty options, nifty options, and also live trading videos, lots of teachings, lots of support, lots of stuffs available, friends. So in case if you're not subscribed till still, I recommend you to press the subscribe button and also the bell notification. Okay, friends. So before just going forward to today's live trading video, I just want to show you this message. One of my friend who stays in UK, a trading friend, yeah. So one of my subscriber, he sent me this message. So you can read the second message. It says that you have been out of your house 3 times today. You are in a breach of government guidelines, and your €30 fine will be automatically be added to your bill. Okay, so he was very disappointed by this. But why am I showing you this? Friends, this is a situation which is going to come in India as well, because this lockdown of 21 days might continue. There is no guarantee that it will stop, because he says that they forecast more than 2 months to 3 months. Say for example, the country China also, they had closed down for a long time. So the same thing might happen to India as well. So we all need to be prepared for this kind of situation. Friends, as of now trading has not been stopped. So if at all or any of you feel like giving an advice or gifting anybody of your closed ones, I would recommend them to give a taste of trading. Give them, start teaching them about trading, start giving them idea about trading, because trading can be made as an alternative source of income. And as you can see, we are regularly making money in stock market. This is a time when we're making more money in stock market, but you have to be disciplined like me. Okay, so that is a clause. It's not that you keep trading whatever you like. As you can see me, very disciplined, very neat, no much attention, single trade over for the day, loss or profit we're closing. Okay, so there are many things to learn in that, but the point which I'm showing you this message is that a situation might come like this, where your job might, the lockdown might continue, and many people might start getting message that you have lost your job, or many people might get lost, might lose their job as well. So that is why I'm saying very soon pick up trading, start learning trading, start making money out of trading, so that you don't have to depend on your salary alone. Okay, friends, so let us look into today's live trading video. So today I should say it was really a near miss for me. Near miss in the sense it was a big miss for me. So initially when we are looking, you can see very clear cut. The graphs or charts are showing clear cut indication that the market is going up. There was no doubt at all. And today being expiry, I had nothing else to think about, because we have to make money in stock market today, and expiry day is a beautiful day for making money in stock market. Okay, so looking at the long term candles, the 30 minutes, the 1 day candle, 1 hour candles, and also if even in case if you look the one at the 1 day candle also, it's a very clear trend that market is going to go up today, and it went up as well. So that is the reason we have two option, either buy the call option, or otherwise you can sell the put option. Okay, so then as you know, on expiry dates always recommended for selling options. Don't go for buying option, because you will get the premium decay as well. Okay, friends, so as you can see, presently the market has moved much. So as I have told you before also, we are always going to take the nearest strike price. So you can see Nifty Bank has already moved to 20,157. I'm talking about the spot price. It's already moved to 20,163. That is why I have taken the nearest ITM, that is 20,100 CE. But still I can see that there is a lot of fluctuation going on in the market. So the put also has to be the ITM. So before that, let me just see if there's got any premium in the call option. So it's all trading at around 200 to 300 levels, which won't be sufficient for us. Looking back to the trend, yes, it's still going up. So the 1 day candle also showing up, the 1 hour candle also showing up. 30-minute candle also showing up. So it's a very clear indication today that the market is going up. So we'll go with the put option itself. Okay, so we are selling the put option, and as of now it is open, and so you can see that I have placed two lots, and the fund used is around 95,000 rupees, as I'm trading for 2 lakh. Almost half the amount is idle, but never mind, that is how the trading is. Okay, so end of the day when I looked in, stop loss has been hit. Though the market went up, there was sudden movement, so during that period our loss has been hit, and we got a loss of 8,243, but not a problem, it's all part of trading. And as soon as our targets or loss has been done, we have to update into our Excel, and we are doing the same. So we are updating our bank nifty trade of including brokerage, it comes to 8,500. so the loss for today we are booking is 8,500, and let me mark it in red color so that we can get highlighted. Okay friends, so the beauty is, what you have to observe here is that, profits are huge, it's almost 2 to 3 times, but the losses is 8,500. We are limiting our losses. This is the best part of trading friends. So if at all you want to learn the same kind of discipline, keep practicing, and keep always remembering that cut your losses and run your profit. Any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.